Hey, yeah, so I'm gonna be doing makeup tutorial. I had already done one, but it got deleted. So it's gonna be a cat eye look, kind of like this eye right here. So, like, since I did it, I have to take off the makeup, but I just took it off in one eye, so, yeah. But it's a really simple cat eye look. A lot of people make it look so complicated and put on so much. But yeah, this is really simple. And yeah, I didn't really take off all of it because it would take forever. I took it off a little on the bottom, I guess. Okay, so I just used like the Drama Eyes by CoverGirl. It's just the white, black, gray, or silver, whatever, and red. I just used the white just for like a base, kind of like how I have on this one. Do it on the bottom. So I just put it like on the lid. It looks really white, but it really isn't. It's just the like lighting makes it look really white. And just like blend it in with your finger. And then with like the Maybelline cream eyeliner. I think it's upside down, yeah. And just like, it's really simple and really easy and doesn't really take too long. So just want to go like really thin the corner and go out and pull out kind of like that one. You can see it. You want it like really clean and you want it to be even to the other eye. It's really easy and quick to do. And on the bottom you want to put it, if you want to put it on the water line, it's cool. I do it, like, I think it looks better on the water line. But if you do it on the water line, you might want to like redo it like every few hours because it comes off like sooner or later. So just go a little thicker on the outside than towards the middle, I guess. And the water line. Then just pull out and up. And connect the top with the bottom. And I think you need a little thicker on the bottom. And if you go too thick, you could just use like a Q-tip and just like clean it off. It's a really cute and casual look. It comes all kind of like that. And then you could wear mascara if you want. I have natural long eyelashes, so I really don't have to, but I guess for the video I will. So funny putting on mascara, don't you think so? And so when you accidentally put the eyelash curler in your eye, and I use this one for the bottom because it doesn't really make it as long. And there you do it. And people tell me I kind of have stuff reflective eyes whenever I do my makeup like this. I don't know, it's kind of weird, but it's fun. I kind of like it. I don't know. I love my eyes. So, yeah. And I will be making a hair tutorial hopefully soon. I'm going to just let my hair grow. Because I just recently did it. And I didn't want to make a video. But yeah. So, hopefully, like, during summer, I'll make a hair tutorial on how to get, like, a fringe like this. But, Hannah Hacksaw, if you guys have heard of her, she has a fringe, and hers, like, really pretty. It's better than mine. So she has a tutorial about how to cut a fringe, so if you guys want to watch hers. Yeah, that's it. So, bye, I guess. This looks so cute. Bye!